Hello everybody! A lot of my students do get hung up on picking a subject for their new blog. So in this video I'm going to cover a few things. If you're struggling in that area, I think this will help. My name's Theo McArthur. I've been blogging for 20 years and teaching blogging for around 5 years. The first thing I want to point out, and I think you'll be very pleased about, is that virtually any subject has potential, and success in blogging is rarely dependent on the subject of the blog. You are, in fact, much more likely to succeed and grow a successful blog if you like what you are writing about, if you enjoy what you are writing about, and if you're interested in it. And in fact, many people quit blogging because they don't like what they are writing about. I made that mistake myself when I first started blogging many years ago. So, thinking about what to blog about, think about what you are passionate about. What are you really interested in? And what do you think that you will enjoy writing about? What will you enjoy researching? Every subject, even if you know a lot about it, at some point you're going to need to start researching to come up with and create enough content for the blog. So what about your existing knowledge? And what do you really want to share with the world? What do you want to inform people about or educate people about? And that is really all there is to deciding what to blog about. But there's one more thing I want to discuss here. What you should consider avoiding. These three areas, health, medical and finance, are viewed by Google as your money or your life. This is what Google terms these types of websites as your money or your life, or YMYL for short. So what this means is that it's very difficult to rank on Google. Now Google is the main search engine where a lot of your free traffic will come from. But if you are unable to rank because your blog is on a subject that Google considers YMYL, you would need to find alternative methods to generate all of your traffic, because you would probably get nothing or next to nothing from Google. Now the exception to that is if you are a qualified professional. If you are, then you are considered to have authority and trust, but you must be able to prove that on the website. You would need to have your credentials and everything else that would show that you are a qualified professional in the field. So what does finance mean exactly? We're talking about financial advice, credit cards, loans, that kind of thing. And that used to be very profitable for bloggers, but if you are not qualified, professionally qualified, with an officially recognized qualification, I recommend that you would stay away from that area. And the same with medical. And health is very similar to medical. So in most cases, the same applies there. Anything else that you are passionate about and you would love to write about and create content on, you're going to be more successful if you choose something that you feel like that about. Okay, I'll see you in another video.